Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going through all of the kits and stickers that I will be using in 2 planners for the month of December. It's always one of my favorite months because it's so festive and fun, and I always try to pick different art and different color schemes and different types of kits so that I have lots of variety to look at when I am thumbing through my memory planner especially. So this stack is for my plum paper vertical priorities, which I will be switching to the undated neutral version in January, and I'm so excited to show that to y'all. It's just something that I've dreamed of for quite a while, as long as I've been using the vertical priorities, and I'm just so thrilled to be able to go with my own colors every week instead of fighting with the monthly colors. This stack is for my Sadie Stickers memory planner. It's a 7x9 sticker planner. I love it. It's super fun to work with. It's a blank canvas and I can kind of do whatever I want with it. So let's go through my everyday planner kits first. So this sheet I'm going to use on my monthly spread. I keep it pretty functional in there, but I like to have a little bit of decoration. So this is going to be fun to lay down and just have a little bit of color on my monthly spread. I've got a little countdown sheet from Letters to Apollo. I love doing little countdowns, and this one's going to be really fun, and I love the script on these. I've also got one for Go Wild that I'll show you next month that I'm really excited about. I've got this sheet with just printed holidays and little sayings that are Christmas related, and I'm just going to keep this out and use it in whatever spread that I feel like I can work it into. So the first kit for the first week of December, I have this beautiful, fun, almost like muted color scheme from Lexi Kylie Designs. This is called Season's Greetings, and it's so cute. I really love the artwork and how bold it is. Plus you've got these little like different textures. Just really fun, and I'm excited to play with this one. I love her kit format. It's just awesome. For the second week, I've got this journaling kit from Sadie Stickers called Christmas Season. She has recently redesigned her journaling kits sheets, and I really like what she has done. She has definitely like looked at other formats and kind of borrowed those ideas, and I love that because this is just super fun. It's going to be really cute to work with because the color scheme on this sheet, by the way, I love the big florals mixed with the little bitty deco. So nice. But I like the bright colors here with the more like brick color. It's just going to be really cute, I think. And it's going to just make the colors pop. I just switched these up because, like just now, because I realized this one isn't super like Christmassy and I wanted a more traditional like Christmas kit, and this one definitely does the bill. So this one is super cute from Lexi Kylie Designs. I love her kits, as I said, called Freezing Season. Super cute. Not really Christmassy, but it definitely has some elements, and it's got that winter vibe, and I love the plaid. Super cute. And then this one is very like Christmassy. This one's very traditional with like the colors and the different elements here and the art. But I really like her kits so much, and it's going to be fun to play with this and make it into my perfect Christmas spread. I think it's going to be just so pretty and fun. It's definitely not like taking itself too seriously, which I really like, and it's just going to be beautiful, I think. Okay, next up we have my Sadie Stickers memory planner kit. So I always do monthly highlights at the end of the month. So this is my December monthly kit. It is called Merry Mistletoe from Caress Press. This one's just super fun. I was really drawn to the color scheme because it's so different from everything else I'm using this month. So we've got this beautiful like modern color scheme with the purple, green, blues. It's just really fun, and I like this art in the background. We got this pretty house on the other like full cover that goes across the top of the spread. Some full boxes, really fun patterns here. And then we have a sidebar sticker. I picked the girl with red hair. She's got a pretty purple dress on. And then we have the like deco sheet. So I've got some really small deco, which I love. Some little boxes and 2 extra full boxes. This is so cute. I'll definitely have to work these in. Next is a kit from Nikki Plus 3. I overbought on my Christmas kits accidentally, but I had to work this one in because it's just so pretty. There we go. Okay, so there's a couple of freebies in here. I'm just going to move those out of the way. I forgot to grab these out of the kit. Okay, so we've got some numbers. We got rose gold foil, or is it just gold? I think it's just gold. Oh, it's so pretty. I love the art in this. It's very like neutral and calming, which I really needed to like mix up the vibe of my December spreads. I really like this box. Then we got a sheet full of boxes, which I love. I use these a lot in my memory planning. I really like the black accents in this one. It kind of like evens it out because you've got all these light colors. And then here is the bottom washi, which is so pretty. Day covers. And then I added on this extra sheet that I might incorporate on this one or just in any of my spreads here in December and even January. Really cute little clothing items. There's also a warm tones one, but I thought it looked more like autumny, and this one looks definitely more winter. Okay, so that is my first week's kit. This one is so cute. It's called Christmas Movies from Scribble Prints Co. So we have a couple of extra boxes here. And then here are the full boxes. I thought this one was super fun for the color scheme. It's just so different, and for the theme. It's just so cute. You've got all of these Christmas movies lined up. Also on Netflix. It's just adorable and so different. Love that box. So here is the deco and the weekend banner. Glitter headers, more boxes. Her kits now come with so many boxes. I love the patterns in this one. I just thought this was so pretty and so cute. And the bottom washi is so pretty. Another extra box. So that is Christmas Movies from Scribble Prints Co. This one I've been holding on to for quite a while. I think I bought this in the summertime when she was having like a Christmas in July sale. This is from the sticker party called December Morning. And this one just really drew me in. I saw someone use this last year. Maybe it was just on her Instagram, but I just love this. It's really bold, really fun, and it's just, again, just different. I like a lot of variety. So here are the full boxes. I think I'll go like straight across the middle of the spread with all of these. The bottom washi. Got headers, date covers, little flags you can use for different things. And then I love this box for my memory planning. It's really fun to like write in there. We've got some glitter headers and some more boxes. So just a really simple kit, but I think it will be really fun to put together this spread. And for Christmas week, I have this one from Caress Press called Noel. So we have an extra box here. This is just a really pretty kit, and I wanted to do something very cozy for Christmas week, and this is so pretty. My family is not this fancy, but, you know, we can dream. Really pretty and traditional color scheme. Again, I love the pop of a black in a holiday spread. That's kind of fun. Really pretty, soft patterns. Love this plaid bottom washi. And then an extra box there. Love the pumpkin loaf or whatever that is. Maybe a peppermint. I love any kind of loaf. And then cute little deco here and a weekend banner. I love these boxes too. I use those a lot. And that is my last kit here. I am really excited to work with these spreads. It's just like my time to zone out and just play with stickers and have fun. So I hope that you enjoyed this sticker kit lineup video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and give me your suggestions for shops I should try, kits I should check out, anything like that. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you next time. Bye!